In this exercise, we will be learning about establishing site aesthetics. At the end of this exercise, we will learn how to create a master page template for the Livingston Life site, as well as a style book for the Livingston Life site. We'll be taking the following steps in this exercise. First, we'll create a master page template for the Livingston Life site. We'll add a header and footer to the template, and then a banner and content display fragments to the template. We'll configure the allowed fragments for the Livingston Life master page template, and then we'll create a style book for the Livingston Life site. We'll edit the color system and general settings for the style book, and then we'll implement the master page template and style book with the Livingston Life site. After this exercise, there will be some bonus exercises that I won't be going through, but that you can try for yourself. This includes creating a new style book for the main Livingston Hotels and Resorts site, and you can be sure to choose different settings for the color system, spacing, and the typography of the site. But with that, let's start with the exercise. In this exercise, we will first be creating a master page template for the Livingston Life site. We'll have to be on the Livingston Life site to do this, so we can open up the global menu and click Livingston Life to make sure we are on that site. From here, we'll open up site administration from the top left. We'll click design and then page templates. Now we'll click add to add a master page template, and we'll call this Livingston Life. From here, we'll open up the fragments and widgets from the right side, and we'll find a header dark fragment, and this is found under the navigation bars. So we can drag this onto our page. You'll see that we'll want to drag this under the drop zone. Now we'll add in a banner fragment under the header. You can find this under featured content. And then this will be right here. Now we'll drag and drop a content display fragment beneath the banner. And then finally, we'll drag a footer nav dark at the very bottom. From here, we'll configure the allowed fragments for the Livingston master page template. So we'll click the configure allowed fragments. Now we see a lot of boxes checked, and so we'll uncheck paragraph under basic components. Under featured content, we'll uncheck banner. And then under footers, we'll uncheck footer nav light, as well as header light under navigation bars. We'll click save. And with this, we'll publish master. Now we'll create a site style book for the Livingston Life site. So we'll go to site administration. We'll find design and we'll open up style books. We'll click the add icon to add a style book, and then we'll type Livingston Life for the name. Now we'll click save. And now we'll edit the color system for the Livingston Lifestyle. Now we'll edit the color system found on the right side. So we'll scroll all the way down to where we find the theme colors. And I'll be typing a few colors for the primary, the secondary, warning, and dark. And so you can just copy my colors from here. For secondary, this color. For warning, for dark. And we'll also change the border radius, which we can find by opening the dropdown at the top to general. And for border radius, we'll change it from 0.25 to 0.50 rem. Now we'll edit additional settings for the Livingston Lifestyle book. So we'll find color system again. We'll find general. The body background, we'll change this to the following. And for the body color, we'll change this to the following. Now we'll open up the drop-down again and we'll choose Buttons. For background color, we'll change this slightly. And with this, we'll click Publish and we'll hit OK on the pop-up. Now we'll have to implement the master template and the style book for the Livingston Life site. So we'll click the options next to Livingston Life. We'll select Mark as default. And then we'll open up the site administration panel. We'll find Design and Page Templates again. And next to Livingston Life, we'll also mark this as default from the options dropdown. And we'll click OK.